Alright guys, systems of equations. A system of equation is a set of two or more equations, and each equation contains two or more variables. And when we find the values of these variables, they make all of the equations true. Alright, learning target. I can explain the solution to a system of equations in a real-world context, and I can explain what a system of equation is, and I can make a graph to find the order pair that two real-world situations have in common. So example 1 is just an example of a graph. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and label just using numbers. I don't have any titles because I don't know really anything about the graph, but I can label it this way. Alright, and then I'm going to use different colors to help this. So I'll use red for the first one. The first one is positive 6, so that means it starts at 6. Okay, it starts here, and then it goes up 1 and over 4. So then up 1 and over 4. Up 1 over 4. Up 1 over 4 would be off the grid, it would be over here. Okay, so then I have a line. I'm going to choose another color. Alright, now I start at 3, and it goes up 1 over 2, 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 up 1 over 2. Okay, and then I have my line through here. Okay, where they intersect, so right here is at 12, 9. Okay, that's their solutions, or what makes them equal. Okay, y has to be 9 and x has to be 12. Okay, we're going to practice down here. So first I'm going to label the axes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 should be far enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 should be far enough. Okay. First thing I have to do is solve these to get them into y equals mx plus b form, meaning I need to get the x's on the other side. So for this one, okay, I have y, or x plus y equals 2. So I need to subtract the x to get y equals negative x plus 2. Okay, I can go ahead and graph that one. So it starts at positive 2, and the slope is negative down 1 over 1, so down 1 over 1. Okay, down 1 over 1. So it's a very short line segment. Okay, then I have the next one that I'm going to do, and we have x minus y equals 12. Okay, we need to add x, subtract x plus 12, and then we need to divide by negative 1. Okay, this graph totally kind of does not work in the fact that we need to be lower on the negative 12 range. You would have to go down here, and then you would have negative 12, and then you would have to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. And your graphs would intersect underneath. There's not a direct point here because we don't have a good enough table, but you get the idea of how to graph.